Yeah, it does.
Now remember, kids,
too long.
There's nothing more painful than third-degree burns.
Are you the real Santa Claus?
Nothing more painful than a
third-degree burns you don't feel pain.
Gingerbread house in your arm or in your eye.
There's nothing more painful than second-degree burns.
Well,
The movie The Santa Claus is awesome.
yeah, that's where I got it from. Scott Calvin.
I got mine from Anatomy and Physiology.
I figured that one out all on my own. Safe distance, everybody.
It's taken now, man. Where's the axe can out? On this side or the other side?
Inside.
I don't know, I just shoved it in there.
Is it gonna explode?
It should.
We're hoping.
I would run.
Stop, drop, and roll.
I just set it like right on the
What's a
fire.
4th degree burn? Be down to the bone.
It's kind of funny. It actually looks
So
like a
there's gonna be
house.
2 cans, so this is probably gonna be a bigger.
It's actually a pretty firehouse. Like,
Things gonna go boom boom. Probably go
this is a
boom.
real house on fire. I'd
Yeah.
probably watch it burn.
Come on. Come on.
That's blazing now, though.
Yeah, it is.
I weep for the future of our country.
I love how
I hear it.
I weep for the future of our country.
This is where the madness comes from video games.
Wait. I hear it rustling around in there.
I do too.
Let's off!
Thank you.
Thank you!
Oh no! It just fell over!
Timber!
Is there shrapnel gonna come out of it?
Yeah.
Sweet, can't wait.
Bring it back.
Good grenade. God, it was close too.
It's got to. Smoke's coming out the other end.
Hey, look at the bright side. Hey. Watch out, hey, watch out. The other one's the...
That was awesome!
Finally, about time.
That was amazing!
Way to be, man.
Let's all run and smell good.
Careful, careful, guys. Run through the smoke, everybody!
I have axe on right now and I'm running through it.
That's why I did that.